Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Printify with WooCommerce in 2024. Of course, Printify is a fantastic print-on-demand service that allows you to sell custom products like t-shirts, mugs, and also more, without holding any inventory, of course. So when you combine it with your WooCommerce, you can, as an example, create a fully automated e-commerce store. So I'll walk you through setting up this integration, designing maybe some products, and syncing everything with WooCommerce. So let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open it, go to this URL section, and let's just start by going to Printify. So Printify, uh, Printify like that, .com, and hit the enter button. This should take you into the home screen or main screen right away. Of course, if you have an account, make sure to log in into it. For me, as an example, I'm already logged in, but for you, if it's your first time, you'll find yourself in this page. So click on login to log in into your account. If you don't have an account, click on sign up to create an account. And of course, you can use Google if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account. So once you're logged in into your account, you will find yourself in your, okay, somehow I'm not connected. So let's just go and connect, click on my account in here, and I should be connected again right away, as you can see. So the first thing that you'll need to do, as you can see, or that we can do, is trying to connect our WooCommerce store. So how to do is basically go to this list panel, and you'll find here my new store. So go and click on that. In there, as you can see, you'll find multiple options. So as you can see, I have like Squarespace connected, Etsy connected, eBay. So of course, we'll need to go and connect WooCommerce as well. So click on here and add a new store. And as you can see, you'll find multiple options in here. All you need to do is simply just scroll down until you find WooCommerce, or you can even find this here. So, as example, WooCommerce, just go and click on it. Once you click on that WooCommerce, as you can see, add your store URL to connect with Printify. So all you need to do, just go and connect or add your WooCommerce URL. Of course, where you will get that, you can simply just go to your WooCommerce. Of course, you can even open your WordPress, go to my stores. And if you have any stores right here, as you can see, you can get the URL of it and simply go and get the URL from there. As example, let's just try to connect this one. So let me just go and get this, copy this, connect to store, enter that in here, click on continue. Not driven by or REST API. Your store is not driven by WordPress or REST API is disabled. Maybe it's disabled or it's not even launched yet. So let me just go and click on launch sites. And now it's launched. So as example, I can just go and get now the URL of it. And of course, I'll need to add this HTTPS, 2 dots and 2 slashes. And let me just go and click on continue. So invalid URL. Okay, let me just not add this. Continue now. Okay. So anyway, like I'm not even having like a website. I just come here and connect it. But for you, of course, it should be already connected. If you already have your WooCommerce, you will find basically your URL right here. Just go and get that and simply enter it right here. Then click on connect. Once you click on connect, as example, let's just say that's this one. This is like the WooCommerce store. I just choosing here like my Squarespace store, but let's just say it's this one. I don't know why I can't get the URL, but anyway, let's just say it's this one. So once you are on that store, you'll need to start creating products for it. How? Basically, just go and start creating however or whatever products you want. Of course, you'll be able to do that for every store, as you can see. So every store that you have, you'll be able to, even new stores example, you'll be able to do that. You can simply just go here and start creating some orders. As example, you'll be able also to go here to catalog. As example, you'll find a lot of things to start designing on. So as example, let's just say we want to design on this one. So of course you can just go here, click on start designing and start implementing your design. Of course, you can even use this AI image nowadays. So example, I don't know, a guy running in the water or at the water as example. And yeah, as example generates image. Let's just see. what image we will get. So of course, generating image usually takes up to 30 seconds. So you'll have to be patient as example. And the daily attempts that you have as example for the free plan is 15. So you'll not be able to use more than that as you can see. Example, yeah, you can use this one. Just go and click on it. As you can see, you'll find this right there. So you can simply just go, sorry, and select it how you want. Example, puts in the middle. And yeah, you can start, of course, editing it however you want in here. You can even select some variants for it, as example, for the t-shirts, of course. And yeah, maybe the variant is enough. Layers is this. Of course, you can even upload something from your PC, add some text, as example, if you want, something from your library, some graphics if you want to add any, templates if you have any, as example, something from Fiverr. This you can connect as well, something from Shutterstock, as an example. You'll be able, as example, to use anything. So let me just go and choose this. As you can see, you'll be able to also to add it as well. So I'm just going to delete that at the moment. And yeah, of course, you can also do something in backside. So I guess this is good already. I'm not going to edit more on that. I'll just go and click on Save Products. Of course, you can preview it before like saving it, etc. Add any other informations about it. Of course, add all the things about it. So you'll need after that basically to connect your store. As example, if you have your WooCommerce, just go and click on it as example to connect this right away. Or you can click on add new store right here and enter the URL of your WooCommerce store. Once you enter that, you'll be able to simply you'll be able to publish that in your store right away. And that's how you basically use Printify with your WooCommerce store in 2023. As you can see, very easy to do. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.